In this video I'll be explaining you the DeFi journey till now. So this is a basic chart, right? So DeFi stands for decentralized finance and CeFi stands for centralized finance. Basically in DeFi you are given financial services but without no centralization, means no one actually controls the services. Let's take an example. For example, in CeFi, that is centralized finance, the money used are US dollar, Canadian dollar, yen and any other, but the main currency or money which is used in DeFi are, it can be Bitcoin, Ethereum or Maker, right? Now lending and borrowing, or you can say it banks. In centralized finance you have Citibank, and in DeFi you have Compound Protocol, Aave Protocol as your banks. In order to buy insurance in DeFi, you have a protocol Nexus Mutual. Similarly, when it comes to exchanges, we all have heard about NYSE, that is New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, even Google, right? Google is listed in Nasdaq. So similarly in DeFi we have also exchanges. They are decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, 1inch and like that. Now comes investment banking. There is a high chance that you might have heard about JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs. Similarly in DeFi, Centrifuge is a investment banking. So basically what when you see this chart, this brief comparison between DeFi and CeFi, one thing you will notice that the same facilities are also given in DeFi, right? But it's more easy in comparison with this CeFi. For instance, let's say you want to take a loan, from Citibank. It will take you some time, lot of paperwork and all, but at the same time you can take a loan from Aave in less than 10 minutes. It all started, this DeFi journey all started with Ethereum, because Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency, it does not support creation of decentralized applications, but after the launch of Ethereum, the DeFi movement started. There are many things that DeFi uses. One of the important things that many DeFi application uses are oracles. So basically oracles like Chainlink, like API 3, Chainlink. So basically oracles are price, means data feeds. For example, in fact, and every DeFi application is smart contract. Basically they are smart contracts and they need data in regular intervals. So oracles provide the required data which are sought after by the smart contracts. And then we have stable coins like USDT, USDC, right? And now, so basically the DeFi journey has been very linearly. For example, first we saw the stable coins. For example, the first stable coin, that is USDT, it was launched in year 2014, right? And then we happened to see Maker, and then Uniswap, and these protocols, Compound, Aave, and all. So basically, these all are like money Legos. One 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 invention led to another, another invention led to another. So it's a very organic inventions in DeFi, right? For example, when we see Aave, look, Aave was when was Aave launched? It was launched in year 2017, right? And then after Aave, we see Chainlink, which was an oracle, which I just told you, right? Here, oracle. Without oracle, DeFi can't innovate, because at the end DeFi are smart contracts and they need they need data feeds. So you can see after Aave we see launch of Chainlink, which is a blockchain oracle, and then Compound, which was launched in September 2018, and then Uniswap was a major event in DeFi, and then Centrifuge, which was this one, investment banking. So basically, what I'm saying is the journey of DeFi till now has been very organically. One invention led to another. The first was your stable coin, here this one, and then after we see Maker, and then Uniswap, and these protocols. So if we want to say combine all these things, we can say it all as DeFi 1.0. Till now we have the DeFi journey has been very great, but now in 2022 we are moving towards DeFi 2.0. It will try to solve all the problems which DeFi 1.0 has. So this has been the journey till now, and yes, it is. So in this video I just wanted to talk little bit more about DeFi. So if you have any more questions, you can comment below. That's it for now. Thank you.